how to use the Lo-Fi chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you want to change a specific conversation's chat theme into Lo-Fi chat theme. Now in order for you to change it into Lo-Fi chat theme, all you have to do is to tap on that specific conversation, which is right here, and click on this eye icon on the upper corner. Once you're here, you'll be able to see that under customization, the theme right here. So all you have to do is to click on that and scroll down until you find the Lo-Fi chat theme right here. Now, if you want to change the current theme into Lo-Fi chat theme, all you have to do is to click on that and you will be given a preview as to how your chats are going to look like. Once you've decided to use it, all you have to do is to tap on select. And now you have changed this specific chat theme into Lo-Fi. So that's how to use the Lo-Fi chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope you helped.